Your pyramid generator now functions as expected, but this is an excellent opportunity to further explore the code you have written. The addition operator is not the only way to add values to a variable. The addition assignment operator can be used as a shorthand to mean take the original value of the variable, add this, and assign it the result back to the variable. So this is the addition assignment operator. But two of them basically mean the same thing. However, this one, the addition assignment operator, is just a shortcut to add the value of the right side, then assign it as a value for the left side. So perhaps let's take a little bit of step back to understand this example. So let's initialize test with 1. So the first one is this. We know that test is a value of 1 and is assigned to the test plus 1. So since test is 1, 1 plus 1, that would output the test has the value of 2. So let's test this one. This is the assignment operator with the addition and the equal operator sticking together. So we know that test is 1. So test plus 1 or 1 plus 1 is 2. And since we also have the equal operator, that would mean the value 2 would also be assigned to the test. So, of course, the output would be test has the value of 2. So this is the shorthand or the addition assignment operator. So in our case, all we have to do is to update our iteration statement for our for loop. And our iteration statement is this one, because this part is the initialization, and then this is the condition, and then this is the iteration part. So this one is this is not an addition assignment operator, but more like of a long cut. So we have to metamorphose this into a shorthand for adding and assigning, and that would be 1. Nice.